ANC members.
Okay, then comrades.
Principal, historia sebenza khona la bangasebenzi ngitoli automatically
mina nitotikoza.
Keeping that's why.
Because over this side it's a branching learning is taking place. So we will be on control. So we try out this corner.
African time.
Labantwana abashaya bathula kanje yini?
Abantwana. Abashaya. Ungabashaya umsebenzi uphezulu.
Hayi bathula kangaka, bathule kanje. Hayi nendaba.
Ufuna siye ad hoc, ne? Wemadlanga commission. Ufuna siye la.
Hayi nangiyazwa kanje bathula.
Uzobe usikhweshile lapha ukuthi waye ushayele umntwana. Ipena uyazi. Hey, office lami lingane mo. Oh, office lami lingane mo. Umlayeza. Noma abakhethe esikukhwela lamadoda. Lendoda lena. Nayi. Ya bangithatha sikukhwela bathi hey siyenza. Amadoda. Finish off enough time there, you are coming. Just like that. Okay. But ubandlela abantwana no problem. You are welcome. So put the battle level. So Bona and then if maybe you need lenders, we are going to organize them as well. Bona which are the magnitude. Yeah. Robert Zuta, I will say Chibena says, no, but don't have IT and so I'm sure my leaders for leading the community. So, very good of the Lord. But the school cannot be the school without the community.
Principal as well. First the apology which is if as Kati says Sabbath this is really just so complicated probably 50 days but we really appreciate to see the opportunities to start a relationship. This is not what we want to do, but it's we want to do it's funny for a level our aim what we done and then let's go in with uniform everything I taught. But we'll get there. We've got enough minerals in our country. This is the treasure to divert some resources. So say appreciate that opportunity to start a relationship and the warm welcome you're giving us. I hope and pray with some shine on you. No, I want to come for oversight, so Kabana and oversight, but Agnanda, Ramanje.
Tila Asmoshani. Tila Abadi Asmoshani. So Tila Asmoshani. Well, but these guys, because we need to welcome each other. Because what I believe is this is not my school, and it's not our school as educators as well. But it's a school for community. The government is there to play a role so that the education of the child is successful. So as long as the routine is in there. The one wherever maybe we can assist. So that is what we appreciate this business. ukuthi ningasinikela ngamavoti amavoti that is where they'll be here uzobhalela today is the second uzotshela nje ushiyene le-space days wena you just start here. Yeah, so normally because we are so uzwele nami ngebhushu wabuza ukuthi ngiyachaza ngisho uyakhona ngibevelfabili
yona seyinyukile
ungcono ngoba
inyoka
hayi mara
ingone ejardini
ubona amabhubesi
inhlabathi bese sazama ukuhlanganisa ukuthi ngoba kumamanzi isize yeah so bengithe besazama ukuthi sizame on the other side
ngifuna ukuze lawa vela ngaphansi nomanzi
no lana eza asithi labe bakhale sikole ngiyashaya ama-engineers nama-surveyor everything bekuyidamu la bayazi laba kuhlangana so uma bakhale sikole bathi it will be a temporary structure the school will be built somewhere according to the plan isikole bekumele sibe lapha baseshana sekona so ama-politics niyafuna abantu bafaka abantu babo ukuthi hlalani nanizozibophela bangabi nendaba nesikole so sizithola semanzini so kunamaklasi lephezulu aya-grade up ngoba kuyehlela then kube kanje so namanzi akasakhoni ukumuva and then nabanye bebenza i-infrastructure amajele so the promise is not something that you get it in one day. Yeah, it's a promise. Ukuthi uma bakhona they'll do it.
I would love to see you in that one.
Okay.
What we won't do, we won't take photos nabantwana but tolithatha nani just prove to parliament that we care. Siqala nathi ukuthi uhlobo lwethu lokusiqala but what I would ask principal is that amadoda la ngicela uphinde bafinishe nge-list abantwana abangashoda futhi ngencathu bazomnika within the space of 2 weeks because as we say we starting our relationship with siyitholile zona eziningana but we want to every school esifuna kuzo because our aim ukuthi sisibazi bonke for principal. Not to criticize, we know which in the tolerance and without resources. Now, siyangishaya ukuthi ngithatha abantwana bangaphandle undocumented as well. Kuningi nje sinishaya ngayo. But we never check the other side. It's Tina's government where we yes.
Because that is the issue, the burning issue as well. Yeah, yabona le abantwana bangaphandle. It's a serious issue.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, bazofika ukuthi thina we are funding these ones. Abanama like document. But at the end of the day, policy TV.
It's
later. And then we are sitting with a lot of children in a class group whereby bazofika ukuthi you need to rationalize some of the educators. Because laba banama IT they don't appear here. Bakhona ku-system but they are not counted. So uthola ukuthi
siba stress kakhulu
kuba stress ngoba you need to rationalize, you need to lose some of the educators but lenas are here, home bodies, khuluma ngama-home bodies now who is going to teach us. Asazi.
No, look, this constitution, the South Africa. We may say whatever we want to say, but how do I expect you as a principal and the teachers to accommodate according to intent and defy abantu abakufakelayo, which is community? Now you defy Tina, that's parliamentary shy. With when the constitution you've got something terrible to shy. Upakati ona something ukusha but she said this one. So it's a problem. It's this constitution. It's the last.
So that is the crisis that we are facing. So we cannot complain about it.
Do something about it. So who's a musician here? Any past behind you? My master sharp principal.
inkomo ekhaya athunywa umfana wakhe
I want.
Bavalelekile babo.
bakhona ke emakhaya
Bophuma njani ngabe?
bophuma kanjani
Ngoba gcwala zafike.
So who's the profile? I'm really wrong.
Kumele baye sibesike.
ngoba ke bahlali
Yeah, so kahle kahle we need to ukuthi sihlale lapha sithele kuyale ngoba uma bakhale esikole ukuthi before lawa ama new classrooms for new development for grade R yani so uma bakhale esikole so isikole besikina la so nabe benze i4 so before uma benza isithule ngoba siyama engineers labalesa so
uyabloka
lana before bekune pipe la yeah so ukuthi bekune pipe from here thatha lamanzi lana amanzi ngoba idrain beyilapha thatha iwayisila and then uma beza balungisa istraat ngoba kupha because bebase ba-extenda le-drain because lonke lezabo bekungena-drain bekungena-system ye-drain
ngiyakhumbula manje
so lamanzi bekasuka wonke lena azogcwala ngoba bebidampe
uyidami ngiyakhumbula
so wafika agcwale konke ngale singakhona nathi ukungena ngale beauty so ngiyaphuva aphumele bese from there bona bathi mabagubha ngoba remember ngazo ngabatshela ngicela uma niceda ngoba ngibona namapipe wethu ligubhe la ufake ipipe eli-1 izojoyina la phansi ngoba kuphasi la deep la thathe lamanzi bawafakele kule drain besakhona ukuphuma
cishe sekhona
khona lapha bayigubhela yeah so aliya-connectwa and then whereby bebabeka ihlabathi yonke uyayibona konke la
ngibona phakathi
konke la uhede ukuthi kumele sivule la kuphume lamanzi but uma ephuma futhi akawaphuma onke njengoba uyabona amanzi aminzi so thina what we were thinking ukuthi sithele ihlabathi yize ahambe phezulu azokhona ukuphuma Tuna will get assisted. Will be assisted.
athi mhlathi